8 minus 2 is equals to 6. Here in the parentheses also 5 minus 3 which equals to 2. Okay, and 6 times 2 is just 12. But this answer is not correct. Because according to the order of operation PEMDAS, first we have to do parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division has equal priority. Work from left to right. The same is applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression, there is one subtraction here, and one multiplication, and one parenthesis. Inside the parenthesis, there is subtraction. Therefore, according to PEMDAS, first we have to do this parenthesis, okay? Then this multiplication, and finally this subtraction. If we do this subtraction before this parenthesis or this multiplication, it is wrong. Therefore, first we have to do this parenthesis. 5 minus 3 is equals to 2. Then 8 minus 2 times 2. So here there is subtraction and multiplication. Therefore, multiplication has higher priority than subtraction, because according to PEMDAS, multiplication comes before subtraction. Therefore, we have to multiply these numbers first. 2 times 2 is just 4. Then 8 minus 4 is equals to 8 minus 4 is what? 4. This is the correct answer of this problem, okay? Therefore, the correct answer of this problem is equals to 4.